So, una po, is it true that even if the agencies were not able to present cost-benefit analyses, nor even just estimates of revenue impacts of this FTA, we are rushing this South Korea-Philippines FTA, one, because the South Korean president will be making a state visit soon. Two, because there are 4 large South Korean firms based in the Philippines but exporting to countries other than South Korea that might move to other countries if we don't have a ratified FTA. And third, because Indonesia has signed an FTA with South Korea last year, and our negotiators say that this has reduced and will continue to reduce our FTA bargaining leverage, and is therefore somehow forcing our hand so that the situation compels us to sign this FTA as well. Could the good sponsor provide some information on each of these, including on the arcana of bargaining leverage in trade negotiations,
Yes,
Mr. President?
I think we did have a great deal of difficulty trying to project the estimated tariff savings, but we've come to the updated conclusion of about 51.31 million US dollars on the exports. So malaking bagay yun para sa small banana farmers, for example. And most of the tariff savings, which will save quite a bit, and then on the other hand, the Korean products will have also some tariff savings. So malaking menos ito sa pagbili ng ating mga mamamayan ng Korean products. And we have the tariff savings from banana will be 50.54 million US dollars in tariffs, and Korean products, it will be 12.67 million US dollars in tariff savings. Whether we are rushing this, I think rushing is hardly the description that can be made when our neighbors already have upwards of 40 FTAs. Apakadami nilang FTA na bilateral, samantalang tayo, dadalawa pa lamang. Takot na takot tayo mag-FTA, parang kinakabahan tayo na forever na tayo hindi competitive. So we've been negotiating actually this Korean FTA since 2019. Ngayon, natauhan lang tayo, parating na yung Pangulo, 2019 pre-COVID pa to, biglang paspasan. Yun, totoo.
Thank you, Mr. President. I appreciate the candor of the good sponsor tungkol doon sa nung una nahirapan talaga kwentahin yung possible revenue impact. But I appreciate na may kahit kaunting pag-update doon sa projections in terms of Philippines to South Korea exports, in terms of savings, particularly on the bananas, in terms of the tariffs. At oo nga, nabanggit ko rin po, Mr. President, na yung mga kapitbahay nga natin, at tulad ng Indonesia na binanggit ko rin po,
Right.
ko po sa tanong ay may mga mas maraming FTAs, and particular may naunang FTAs sa South Korea. And noted na since 2019 pa nine-negotiate ito. Yes,
I
good
actually
sponsor.
observed sa ating DOF at pati sa DTI, napakaliit ng tariff savings sa tingin ko. Pero sabi nila, they're trying to be conservative given the sorry state of our banana industry, that we don't want to overpromise because it'll take 5 years to recover the acreage and also make certain that Fusarium or the Panama disease is finally expunged from our banana fields.
Salamat, Mr. President, good sponsor. Tamang-tama, doon ako dadako sa susunod na tanong. Medyo napag-usapan na rin with the minority leader, but the good sponsor might care to comment on a few other details regarding precisely bananas. So banana exports to South Korea appear to be the single biggest concern of Philippine negotiators in this FTA, and job preservation in the industry is
Yes.
also a concern of labor leaders. Yet, we also know that the rehabilitation of 15,000 hectares of Philippine banana farms affected by that worldwide Panama disease is long, uncertain, and costly. And it threatens the livelihood of the industry's 400,000 workforce pre-Panama disease. So,
Mahigit pa, nasa
Good sponsor.
675,000 na ang umaasa sa saging.
Alright,
It's a
salamat,
very
good
large
sponsor.
industry which unfortunately has been decimated by this disease.
Yun na nga po, good sponsor, Mr. President. Now, the DA was not present during the September 5th hearing chaired by our sponsor, but afterwards, did the DA have anything to say, Mr. President, about the risk and cost effectiveness of continuing to be invested in this singular banana basket? Mr.
Well,
President?
there appears to be some kind of protocol involved in replanting of fusarium and the recovery of acreage, and that was discussed. It seems to be rather well known among the commercial growers. Ang problema, yung DA, hindi pa masyadong kabisado at hindi pa napapamigay sa mga small banana farmers na nagsilipatan na sa iba't iba pang produkto. Yun ang problema natin at kailangan tulungan, kausapin at siguraduhin nakikita pati yung mga small banana farmers.
I agree, good sponsor, Mr. President. And nagugulat ako na hindi pa masyadong kabisado ng DA ito. I expect more and I'm hopeful given yung panimulang ipinakita nitong nakaraang taon ng DA Secretary Chu Laurel. I hope nakikinig sila or mababalitaan nila itong exchange natin na sana mag-step up ang DA sa usaping ito. And speaking of yung paglilipat,
Maraming salamat
yes, good
kasi
sponsor.
alam niyo, nakahanap ako ng kakampi sa inyo dahil matagal na ako nagrereklamo yung export na po namin mangga. Matagal nang may sakit yung seaweed fly, yung kurikong. Sabi nga namin 25 years na may sakit yan, di pa na solve ninyo. Yung sariling mga mango growers ang siyang naghahanap nung kung paano susugpuin. But our banana industry leaders are very confident that they can recover 75% share of the Korean market in the next few years.
That is very good to hear, good sponsor, Mr. President. At sana lampas pa nitong FTA, patuloy nating masuportahan ng Senado, ng buong Kongreso.
Mag-co-sponsor po kayo.
Good
Meron
sponsor.
akong mga bills na ang tawag nga dito sa Bills and Index, mga fruit salad bills ko po. Isa na doon yung sa revival of the banana industry. Dahil napakaraming bahagi ng Mindanao ay umaasa lamang sa saging. Meron rin pinya, meron rin mangga, kung ano-ano, pati yung coconut, pinasukan ko na dahil nga ang dami pong umaasa sa mga commercial planting at pati yung marginal farmers.
Sige po, good sponsor, Mr. President. Pag-aaralan po namin ng Legisco yung mga bills na iyon at lalo na para sa mga maliliit na nagtatanim.
Kulang na
yung
kulang
binanggit ng
po
good
tayo
sponsor.
sa export lines. Ang produkto natin, iilan lang. Mangga, saging, mabibilang sa dalawang kamay. Samantalang Thailand, halimbawa, 40, 50 ang ine-export.
Totoo po, good sponsor, Mr. President. And speaking of yung mga nagtatanim natin ng saging na nagsisilipat sa ibang mga tanim at yung kaugnay ng ilang mga nabanggit na nga ng good sponsor, in fact, might not diversification from bananas and using the farms lost to the Panama disease for coffee, cacao, yung pineapple na binanggit ng good sponsor, maybe even durian, be also a prudent option.
Yes, I think that is what's occurring. Forced to good sila, wala talagang magawa. And certainly, other export opportunities are welcome.